Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel. Target Nicole here. How are you guys doing? So today I wanted to do a cook with me type of thing in the crock pot. I've done a recipe similar to this, but not this exact one. I love skinnytaste.com for their recipes. They're really, really good. And this one is going to be crock pot chicken taco chili recipe. I think I've done their crock pot chicken taco, but not the taco chili. So this will be the first time I'm doing this, as well as the first time I'm tasting this. And I just wanted to share with you because I thought it would be a quick and easy meal prep for your options if you are meal prepping as well. So they say that the ingredients for this is a small chopped onion. So that's my chopped onion there. You're going to need 15.5 ounce, pretty much just a 1 can of black beans drained. Those are over there along with the kidney beans. You need 1 can of kidney beans as well. And then you need 8 ounces of a can of tomato sauce that's in that bowl there. Also mixed in with the can of diced tomato with chilies also in there. And then I just put the chopped green chilies in that bowl as well. I just mixed everything in because you have to mix everything up anyway. Then you also need a pack of reduced sodium taco seasoning salt. That's over there. You need cumin, which is that first seasoning there, and then you need chili powder, and you need 24 ounces or 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, which I have right there, and you need a half a cup of fresh cilantro. I don't really technically like cilantro. It tastes a little like soap to me, so I never really use that, but you can get half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro if you do like cilantro. Also, you're going to need a pack, or not a pack, it has to be a packet of frozen corn kernels, a 10-ounce bag. I was able to find the Steamer's lightly seasoned southwestern corn because it kind of made sense because it's like a Mexican dish, but you can use just any kind. They did have like a 99-cent sweet corn bag from ShopRite brand, but that brand I know I really like and I've used that before. And that's all you need. It sounds like a lot, but probably most of that you have already in your pantry. It also gives you an option to make your own taco seasoning if you want to. I will link the recipe down below for you guys to check that out if you want to. So the next thing is to combine your beans, your onion, your chili peppers, your corn, your tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, cumin, chili, taco seasoning in a slow cooker and mix well. So let's get to doing that.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we...
I don't know if I mentioned there's supposed to be 2 cans of the diced up tomatoes with chilies. I didn't read that right and I only have 1 can in there. So if yours looks bigger, that's probably like more in there. That's probably why. But I'm just going to rock with what I bought. The next thing it says is to go ahead and put the nestle the chicken in to completely cover and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours or cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. Now, as far as my chicken goes, I did not, it did not say to season the chicken as I've done. I seasoned my chicken with the chili powder, the cumin, some garlic powder, some onion powder, salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt because there's probably already a lot of salt going on. And I let it sit for a little while, but you do not have to do that. That's not part of what it is. So then it says half hour before serving, remove the chicken and shred and return chicken to slow cooker and stir in. Top with fresh cilantro and your favorite toppings. Dang it, I should have bought some sour cream. I might have to go out and buy some sour cream for this. But okay, so everything is mixed in. Actually, I forgot to add the taco seasoning. Why didn't y'all tell me? So I'm about to add the taco seasoning in and remix that. You're supposed to add the whole entire packet. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to mix that in, and then Once that's mixed in, I will nestle all my chicken in and come back and show you. So my chicken is in there, guys. It's in there, but I, like they said, you can see, kind of see some of it right there. It says to nestle in and completely cover. I legit like put my hands in there and just, it's my food, my hand is clean, and just dumped them in and covered everything back over. If I would do this again, I think what I would do is mix everything else in a bowl, and then I would put a layer of this mixture down first, then put my chicken in, and then dump the rest of the layer on top. Just what I would do differently next time if it's got to be covered and submerged. Yeah, nestle the chicken in to completely cover. Yeah, so I'm going to cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. I'm going to set a timer for 4 hours first, check on it, and then if it needs more time, just go to the 5 and then 6 hour mark. But I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I'll be back, not shortly, but in a few hours. We are back and it's bubbling away. We're going to turn it off for right now and check it out. Ooh, y'all getting a steam bath. And it's, so the next direction is, so this, mine has been cooking for about 4 hours and 15 minutes on high. It says from 4 to 6 depending on your crock pot. Mine cooks very fast, so I'm thinking 4 hours is going to work for me. Then it says a half an hour before serving, remove the chicken and shred. So my rice is cooking. That'll only take 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my chicken and shred. Hopefully it is ready to shred. Just need to find it. Oh, it looks like it's already falling apart, which is good, I guess. Okay, so that's... Oh yeah, look, it's already falling apart. So the recipe does not call for cheese, but I think cheese is a nice topper for most Mexican meals. Oh God, I can't even. You guys, I'm gonna I'll go ahead and like do this off camera, try and get all the chicken up out of here. But as you can see, my chicken is pretty much done. It's almost self-shredding at this point. Alright guys, so this is my pieces of chicken. Like I said, I had to use 2 forks to take them out. And I'm just going to take 2 forks like that and pretty much shred them. They are shredding very easily, so that to me is telling me that they are cooked. And they look cooked. No rawness going on in the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish shredding these. And when I'm done shredding them, I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the crock pot. The crock pot I left on warm setting to keep the rest in there, and honestly the stuff that's in there right now with no chicken or anything tastes or smells amazing. I feel like it would make a really good vegan dish minus the chicken.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
well incorporated. So I'm gonna cover back up that, leave it on warm, and then I'm gonna grab some cheese and shred that. Hey guys, it's time to taste it. My favorite part of cooking. So this is what it's looking like. It's like lights are kind of making it super bright. It's just white rice, the mixture, the meat, the chicken, and some cheese on top. So let's give it a go. It's really hot, so. But I didn't even add any, like, look at that cheese. I didn't add any heat or put it in the oven. That chicken just melted it down. So I'm just trying to get a piece with everything in it. Cheese and everything. Cheese, rice, chicken. And beans. You guys have to try this. It was so easy, but it's so good. So flavorful. So good. Huh. It didn't call for any salt. I think me personally, I put a little salt in. But other than that, you guys, I would give this one a try. I'd give this one a try. Well, I want to go finish eating my dinner now. It was really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day.